Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Welcome back to English with Susman official channel again and again. Useful sentences jumlado waxtar leh about ku saabsan the past perfect tense tagtada dhabta u dhacday. The exact way to use it. Habka ama wayga saxda ah ee loo isticmaalo. It had already happened goor hore ayay dhacday. I asked the price of the car. Waxaan weydiiyey qiimaha gaariga, but they had already sold it. Laakiin goor hore ayay iibiyeen ama gadeen. I ran to the platform. Waxaan ku soo cararay platformka quickly, si dhaqsi leh ayaan ugu soo cararay meesha trainku ka baxo. But the train had already left. Laakiin trainkii goor hore ayuu tegay. 3. He gave us waxa uu na siiyey our copy books buugagtanada kopiga ah after he had corrected them kadib markii uu saxay. 4. She went on holiday waxay aaday fasax after she had taken the examination kadib markii ay imtixaankii gashay ama ay qaadatay. 5. She had finished the housework waxa ay dhammaysatay shaqada guriga before she went out intaysan dibadda ama bannaanka aadin. We had dinner waxaanu yeelanay qado ama casho. We had dinner waynu casheenay ama waxaanu yeelanay casho before they arrived intaysan imaan ka hor. Exercise lately. Look at this fairy tale. She went home. Waxa ay aaday guriga. She typed the letter. Waxa ay qortay ama qaraacday warqadii. Isku dayina sidaan soo xas. She went home. Waxa ay aaday guriga after she had typed the letter. Kadib markii ay warqadii qortay ama qaraacday ay aaday guriga. Join these sentences isugu beeri jumladahan in the same way isla weyga ama habka asaga. Use adeegso after. He dropped the vase. Waxa uu riday weelka ubaxa. He took it into the living room. Waxa uu geliyey ama uu u qaaday qolka fadhiga. He bought another car. Wuxuu soo iibsaday gaari kale. He sold his old one. Waxa uu iska gaday midkiisii qadiimiga ahaa. She swept the floor. Waxa ay xaaqday mutuleelka ama sagxadda. She dusted everything. Wax walbo siigadii ama boorka ayay ka jaftay. She drank. Waxa ay cabtay the milk caanaha. She boiled it. Waa ay karkarisay. He turned off the television. Waxa uu damiyey telefishinka. He saw the program. Waxa uu arkay programkii ama ajandihii. He went to bed. Waxa uu aaday sariirta. He did his homework. Waxa uu qabtay ama sameeyey shaqadiisa guriga. So now improve your pronunciation. Useful sentences about ku saabsan the past perfect tense. The exact way to use it. It had already happened. I asked the price of the car, but they had already sold it. I ran to the platform quickly, but the train had already left. He gave us our copy books after he had corrected them. She went on holiday after she had taken the examination. She had finished the housework before she went out. We had dinner before they arrived. Exercise. Look at this. She went home. She typed the letter. She went home after she typed the letter. Join these sentences in the same way. Use after. He dropped the vase. He took it into the living room. He bought another car. He sold his old one. She swept the floor She dusted everything. She drank the milk. She boiled it. He turned off the television. He saw the program. He went to bed. He did his homework. Thanks.
ألف لكردبي ألف لوسدبي ألف لأقضي